very gorgeous and beautiful candidates. Okay, let's start with our candidate number 1. Hi, what's your name? Oh my God, Marjorie at Nadine. Here's your question, candidate number 1. Where was Florence Nightingale born? Again, where was Florence Nightingale born? Florence, Italy. Oh my God! Florence, Italy. I doesn't love you. Correct. Wala ba kayo mga cheese dyan? Mga second year? Mahina? Wala? Ito. Hi, candidate number 2. Hello, Priscilla. Lalo ka? Oh. This is question candidate number 2, female category. How did the soldiers refer to Florence Nightingale? Daisy with the lamp. Correct, candidate number 2. Daisy with the lamp. Siguro yung panahon na yun, wala pang kuryente. No? Lagaan mga palakpak dyan. Third year representative na third year. Hello, candidate number 3. Hi, Caitlin. So, are you ready? Sobrang hirap itong tanong mo, Ram. Where did Florence Nightingale die? Again? Where did Florence Nightingale die? Are you sure? Yes. Correct. Florence Nightingale died at London. So that ends our question and answer for the history of Florence Nightingale. So, bababa muna ako. Maganda na kayo ng kabanat ninyo dyan. Having applied. Hello! Hello, Professor Light. Hi. Kung tatanungin lang sino yung